Hi everybody, good morning. Today we are going to learn the next topic in the lesson of climate. What is the next topic? The seasons. What is meant by season? The season is the change of weather condition. Yes, every season is the weather condition is changing. For example, summer season hot, winter season cold. Okay, so the weather condition is changing every season. That is called the weather changing is called seasons. Okay, so in all over the world, okay, we are using four types of seasons. What is that? Four types of season. We know about that. What is that? Summer season, winter season, autumn, spring. There are four types of seasons. Okay, but in India we are following only three types of season. What is that? We are following only three types of. What is that? Summer season hot, winter season cold, and third one is rainy season. What is that? The rainy season. Okay, only three types of season. The third rainy season only divided into two. What is that? Advancing monsoon and retreating monsoon. Okay, there are four. So maximum in India we are using only three seasons. What is that? Hot season, cold season, and the next rainy season. There are three seasons only in India. Can you understand, student? Yes. So first we can go into the topic. Before we are going into the topic, previous chapter we have learned what is meant by climate, what is meant by weather. Okay, what are the factors affecting the climatic condition? Everything we have learned. Okay, first all the time you must revise the previous chapter also. It will help you in future. Okay, so first weather condition. What is meant by season? The weather condition is changing always. The weather condition is not a permanent one. Not a permanent one. Yes, every season it is changing. It is changing. So it is changing in inner or the inside of the country, interior. Okay, so it is inside of the country or outside of the country it is changing, but the season is not maximum affecting. It is affecting at this coastal line, but not maximum affecting the coastal. No changes in coastal line. The seasons are no changes in coastal line. Okay, yes, because of water. Then next, there are four seasons. I told you, there are four seasons in our country. We are using four. First three only I told you. The rainy only divided into two: advancing monsoon, retreating monsoon. Totally three seasons. But in the all over the world we are using four seasons. Okay. So four seasons in India. What are the four seasons? Cold, winter. Cold season, winter season, hot, summer season, and rainy season. Third one is rainy season. Rainy season is divided into two. That is first one is advancing monsoon. What is that? Advancing monsoon season, and the second one is retreating monsoon season. Yes, the wind is coming inside of the land and going back. Retreating is going back to the sea. That is called a retreating monsoon. So these are very important. First we are going to learn the winter season. What is that? First we are going to learn the winter season. Oh yes, what is this month? December month. Yes, are you feel cool or hot? Yes, in this month, yes, what you are feeling? Yes, we know about that. This is a cold month. Okay, cold, not gold, cold. Okay, so winter season start in November month. What is that? Winter season is starting in November month, not 1st of November, mid November. Okay, November 15, 16 or above 12, 13, 15. Okay, mid November. Yes, this season, the winter season is starting in November month and end in February month. November to February. November, December, January, February. Totally 4 months. Okay, 3.5 months. Mid November. Okay, because of that we can use we can say 3.5 months. But in the December month and January month, what is that? December month and January month is the coldest month in India, especially in North India, northern plains. North India, this is the coldest month. Compare with the South India, North India is too cold. cool. So this is the coldest month in North India, where it is coldest in month in North India. Okay, yes, in this time we can compare the temperature. What is that? In this time we can compare the temperature with the South India and the North India. For example, Chennai is now 24 to 25 degrees Celsius. 24 to 25 degrees Celsius temperature, but in northern plains low. Okay, the hot, the temperature is low, because of that only there is the coldest place. Okay, so northern place is 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. So the day times are warm. Okay, normal. Daytimes are warm because of sun. But in the night time is too cold. Can you understand? Yes, daytimes are warm, night time is cold. Yes, now also nowadays we are using more blankets night because of cold. Okay, for you both எழுது தூங்கிரும். Okay ba. Yes, next frost. Yes, pani. Yes, okay, snowfall, frost. Okay, in the frost, northeast trade wind. Okay, from Russia. Where? From Russia, China. Okay, because of Himalaya only we have escaped from the northeast trade wind. Because of Himalaya. Yes, Himalaya stopped the northeast trade wind. Because of that we have escaped. Otherwise the snowfall, it happened in India fully. Okay, so frost, northeast trade wind from land. Where? Which land? From Russia. Okay, from northern pole, southern pole, north pole, south pole. From north pole, okay, the trade wind is flowing. It is bringing, what is that? Snowfall. Okay, snowfall. But in this time the sky is very clear. The air also low humidity. It is very helpful to northern plain. So northern plain is in the cyclone. Okay, yes, what is that? The northern plain is too cold. At the same time it will make the cyclone. Okay, the low pressure high pressure area, it will make the cyclone. At the same time the Himalayan places, the mountain places are receiving the snowfall. Yes, snowfall. Yes, on the mountain, not in the normal place. On the mountain there is snowfall. Yes, in the winter there is because sometimes there are receiving more rainfall in the winter season also. Yes, the winter season in rainfall, North India they have called the Mahavat. What is that? The rainfall, winter rainfall, they have named. அதுக்கு ஒரு நேம் வச்சிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? they named what is that? Mahavat rainfall. What is that? Mahavat rainfall. Yes, in this time we are producing, okay, we are making cultivation rabi crop. What is that? Rabi crop. What is that? Yes, rabi. Yes, we can learn more. Okay, rabi crop. Next, so the winter season over. Next summer season. Winter season over, next summer season. Hot. Yes, the summer season is full hot. We know about the summer season. March. Okay, where we have completed February, November to February cold, winter season. Next, after February summer will start. Okay, February after March, April, May. What is that? March, April, May. 3 month summer season. 3 months summer season. In this time we are receiving more heat from the sun. Okay, yes. More heat from the sun. For example, the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau is receiving 38 degrees Celsius. 38 degrees Celsius sunrise. Next, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. The two states are receiving 42 degrees Celsius. How many degrees Celsius? 42 degrees Celsius. At the same time, northwest places are receiving 45 degrees Celsius. 45, yes, because there only the Thar desert, Rajasthan Thar desert. The Thar desert is receiving 45 degrees Celsius in summer season. What is that? 45 degrees, yes, Rajasthan Thar desert, 45 degrees Celsius receiving in summer season. So because of heat, listen, heat is making low pressure. Ice is making high pressure. Heat making low pressure, height making high pressure. Okay, so in this time, the hot season, there is one wind is flowing, that is called Lu. Okay, it may be a 3-mark question also. It may be a 3-mark question or 1-mark question. Okay, yes, define Lu. If they ask define Lu, you want to write 3 mark. It is a hot wind. It is flowing in the summer season. Okay, it is too hot. The wind is too hot. It will make the low pressure. At the same time, in the summer season, desert and some other places are receiving, what is that? Windstorm, Katru Puyal. Okay, windstorm, because the windstorms are making the hot wind become cool. Some places it will bring the rainfall also. Some places it is bringing the rainfall. Yes, bringing rainfall. It will make the hot wind become cool wind. And the next, in West Bengal, there is one wind is flowing. It is bringing the rain. Yes, that is called a Kal Baisakhi. What is that? Kal Baisakhi. Kal Baisakhi means this is one of the harvesting festival. What is that? Harvesting festival in West Bengal. So they have named, after the wind come, they will make the harvest. So they have called this, what is that? Kal Baisakhi. Kal Baisakhi. Can you understand? Kal Baisakhi storm. But in the summer time, Kerala and Karnataka, the 2 states are receiving rainfall. Okay, because of low pressure, it is that 2 states, Kerala and Karnataka, receiving rainfall. This is help to ripe the mangoes. Mampalam palukkaradhukku use agudhu. Okay, ripe the mangoes. Because of that, they have called this rainfall become mango shower. What is that? The Kerala and Karnataka people called it mango shower, because the rainfall is help the farmers to ripe the, what is that? Mango. Yes. So we have completed winter season and summer season. The next one is rainy season. Okay, first one. What is the first one? Advancing monsoon. What is that? Advancing monsoon. The wind flowing from southwest to northeast. So this is called southwest monsoon. The wind flowing from Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea. So this is moving the ocean or sea wind flowing into the land. So rainy season, this is advancing monsoon. It starts from June. At first it is starting from northern plain, then it come back. Okay, so June in north. Yes, it attract the trade wind. It will give more rainfall for Western Ghats of Kerala. Western Ghats of west side, not Western Ghats of east side, Western Ghats of west side, and then Tamil Nadu coastal plains and Himalayan places. It is giving more rainfall. Because of that, some of the places having more, yes, receiving more rainfall. Yes, what is the speed of the wind? Yes, 30 km speed. What is that? 30 kilometer speed wind is giving more rainfall. At the same time, the northeast places, what are the northeast places are receiving more rainfall. For example, which is the highest rainfall, which place is receiving highest rainfall? Yes, in the world, in India, Meghalaya, Mouse syndrome, Khasi Hill. In Mouse syndrome, there is one hill, Khasi Hill. Okay, the place is receiving more rainfall because of southwest monsoon. Because of southwest monsoon. June. This trade wind, southeast trade wind, has crossed the equator places. Yes, you know about that. Equator is divided India into two. So it is crossing the equatorial places and giving more rainfall all over India. Yes, then next 30 kilometer speed per hour, 250 centimeter rainfall. Mouse syndrome is receiving more. At the same time, Himalayan places also. Okay, Himalayan places also receiving more rainfall. Because of that, there are more rivers flows. Okay, more rivers are flowing and it will giving more profit for the farmers. More profit for the farmers also. Yes, next rainy season advanced completed. Next retreating. Okay, the advanced is June, July, August. What is that? June month, July month, August month. Okay, August, September also. August, September. Okay, next retreating monsoon. Retreating monsoon start in October and November. October and November. These 2 months only. What is that? Retreating monsoon. It is nothing. Northeast monsoon. Northeast monsoon is called retreating monsoon. So the wind flowing from south to north, now northeast to southwest. It is coming back. Northeast to southwest. It is retreating monsoon. Retreating monsoon. It is giving more rainfall for all over India. At the same time, it is giving more rainfall for eastern coast. What is that? Eastern coast. Okay, yes, now also what happened, ma'am? November month over. Now this month is November month is also called cyclone month. November month is also called cyclone month. So we have completed what is that? 4 season: cold season, hot season and rainy season. Rainy season is divided into 2. What is that? Advanced monsoon and retreating monsoon. Okay, but advanced monsoon is a long period. Retreating monsoon is less period. Only October month, November month, half month. That's all. 1 to 1.5 month. That's all. Okay, so we have completed the climate lesson. So we have completed the portion also. Try to study well. Next year you are going to study. Next year you are going to 10th standard. Don't forget it. Okay, in this year maybe corona collapse everything, but next year they will provide vaccination. Because of that, definitely you can come to school next year and you want to study. So because of that, take my advice, study well, don't waste your time in your home. Okay, at first you must cooperate with your parent, don't fight with your parent. Okay, do your homework, then you can play. Don't waste your time. Okay, thank you.